Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I am Natalia. Instant loans or same day loans are a type of unsecured loans that give you access to funds instantly. And these types of loans are available with few lenders. So in this video, I'm going to tell you who are the lenders, what credit limit they offer, the interest rate, the tenure and the benefits. Number 1, ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank offers a minimum loan amount of 50,000 rupees and a maximum loan amount of 20 lakh. And the tenure would be 12 months to 60 months. And the interest rate would be 11.25% per annum to 22% per annum. And the interest rate would be 11.25% per annum to 22% per annum. Now let's talk about getting a loan from the ICICI Bank. Number 1, if you are a pre-approved customer for a loan, then your loan amount would get into your bank account within 3 seconds. And not just that, they always set one interest rate. So you will have to pay that same amount of interest rate throughout your tenure. So it will not change, or it will not increase or decrease. Not just that, they have very minimal documentation, and after you pay 12 months EMI of your current personal loan, you can apply for a top-up loan on top of that. Next, we have HDFC Bank. The HDFC Bank offers a minimum loan amount of rupees 50,000 and a maximum loan amount of rupees 40 lakh. And the tenure would be 12 months to 60 months. And the interest rate would be 11.25% to 21.50% per annum. Now let's talk about the benefits of getting a loan from the HDFC Bank. Number 1, if you are a pre-approved customer, the money will reach your bank account within 10 seconds. But if you're not pre-approved for a loan, it might take up to 4 hours. And not just that, very minimal documentation, and there are no restrictions on how you can use this personal loan. And after 12 months of EMI is over, you can either pay the loan amount in full or in parts. Next, we have Bajaj Finsery. So the loan amount offered here is up to 25 lakhs. And the tenure would be 12 months to 60 months. And the interest rate would be 12.99% per annum. Now let's talk about the benefits of applying for a loan with Bajaj Finsery. So after the lender goes through your application and approves it, they approve it within 5 minutes. And after it's approved, the money will reach your bank account within 24 hours. And if you are an existing customer, then you are already pre-approved for a personal loan. Not just that, the borrowers can also make a part payment towards their loan. However, a small part payment charge might be added. And the loan tenure is very flexible. Next, we have Exceed Cash. So the loan amount offered here... So the minimum loan amount offered here is rupees 10,000 and the maximum loan amount would be rupees 1 lakh. And the tenure would go about 61 days to 90 days. And the interest rate would be 0.1% to 1% per day. Now let's talk about the benefits of applying for a loan from Exceed Cash. Number 1, you can apply for this loan online or through their website. And after they review your application, you will receive your funds within 15 minutes. And no pre-closure or prepayment. And no pre-closure or prepayment charges are levied by the lender. And not just that, the lender doesn't charge any sort of processing fee. Next, we have Credit Bazzar. The minimum loan amount offered here is rupees 10,000 and the maximum loan amount would be rupees 1 lakh. The tenure would go up to... The tenure would be 61 days to 90 days and the interest rate would be 0.1% to 1% per day. Now, let's talk about the benefits of applying for a loan from Credit Bazzar. Number 1, if your application is approved, then you will receive your funds within 2 hours. And there are no pre-closure or prepayment charges applied here. Plus, they have very minimal documentation and they have an amazing customer service. Next, we have Pocket. The minimum loan amount offered here is 5,000 rupees and the maximum loan amount is 1 lakh. The tenure would be 7 days to 60 days and the interest rate would be 0.08 per day onwards. Now, let's talk about the benefits of getting a loan from Pocket. Number 1, they will immediately go through your application and approve it, plus you will get the funds immediately, that is very instantly. And there are not much documentation required, it's very hassle-free. Plus they have no hidden charges and an amazing customer service. Now, you must be wondering how to apply for these kinds of loans. What's the eligibility criteria or the documentation? So number 1, you should be an Indian citizen and you should be above the age of 21 years old. And you should have a job with a steady income. Plus, you should have your Aadhaar card or your PAN card, a valid email address and a valid phone number. Last but not the least, you should have at least worked for 2 years. That is, you have 2 years of work experience plus your bank statements for the past 3 months. That is all you will need to apply for these kinds of personal loans. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or career building courses or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use this code, you will be getting 2000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.